Peace be upon you. In this video, we will explain how to remove watermarks, text, logos, emojis, or anything else from a video using a free AI-powered application that also works offline. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video. Now let's begin the explanation with God's blessings. The first step, my friend, is to go to this application, the link to which you will find in the first pinned comment. It will give you this interface. Here you will find options for video, image, and also My Videos. If you want to remove the watermark from images, select Images. If you want to remove the watermark from a video, click on Select Video. Then, where is your video? I have mine in the gallery. Click on Gallery. Here you will find all the videos you have in the gallery. Select the video you want to remove the watermark, text, or anything else from. For example, this video. Click on it. As you can see, this is the video I want to remove. For example, this text is here. I can remove it all at once. For example, if I want to select this video, click on it. Check mark now, my friend. I hover this check mark like this over the text I want to remove, or the watermark, like this if I also want to remove this text. Click here on the plus sign to create a new box, a new selection, or whatever you want to call it. Then I select this text I want to remove, and this small text I want to remove here, for example here. Click on the plus sign again to resize this selection or whatever you want to call it, and then drag it to the text and resize it like this, my friend. Now, my friend, after you finish selecting the things I want to remove from the video, click on Save here, then choose the video format or resolution I want to extract from. For example, if I want 1080p, click here, then click on the check mark, and then wait while the media is being processed. The application is lightweight and doesn't take up much space on your phone, and it's fast. Honestly, the speed varies from video to video, so if you have for long videos, you won't find the extraction process as quick as this. It might take a little longer depending on the video's length. This is just for transparency. Now it's almost complete. As you can see, the removal of elements, watermarks, and other things we wanted to remove from the video is finished. Now go to your gallery, or you can find it here in My Videos. Click on My Videos. Click here. Play the video. As you can see, the text has been professionally removed. The text has also been 100% removed, as has the small text that was there. The important thing is that the application is free and the result is very satisfactory. I will leave this free version pinned in the first comment.